Yo, what up peeps, hey boy here again, you see me with another video. Yo, this video is very interesting because this man in a dream right now we are come true. A lot of people, millions of people in the world would have wished to see how if them could have, you know, that kind of life there. Multiple wives, 4 wives, you see me? But right now it don't possible in most countries, so you have to just fantasize, you see me? And during the video he makes some really good points which, you know, some I agree with, a lot of people won't agree with, you know, the others, but we're not going to go on no longer still, you see me? We're just going to have, you know, check it out right now. Watch what I'm going. Yo, film honeymoon I go bad.
To myself, this is the day that I was waiting for, and this day that I was waiting for, it has already come today, and I'm very happy about it. Just if I were to tell you the truth, I think it was 2006 while I was trying to prepare this day, and today I've managed to do it, and I'm very happy. I think it's very successful.
I thank you to my husband because today he married me the second time.
Unity. Wow.
Traditionally, we do not have a problem, especially we as Zulus, because it's a thing that, in fact, our forefathers and our fathers, you know, some of them, according to the man who affords, if he can, it's okay to have polygamy. And in fact, it reduces this thing of having private affairs, mistresses, you know, because most of the people in the whole world, they are married to one wife, but they cheat so much.
Good point. It's funny. Boy, Johnny Star, I didn't even know if he say, yo, he made some points which, you know, a lot of people won't agree with, but you know what, that's his culture, you know, he's allowed to do it, it is legal, so there is nothing you can say, you know. Am I married? The ladies, you know, the women, they are in agreement with him, so, you know, I guess that's what it is, you see me? Part of life. Alright, so yo, I'm gonna big up Paris, Ocean Orange daughter. Happy birthday, Paris. You know, say daddy love you. You know, you're a beautiful girl, and I didn't know that your daddy would get a daughter before me or any pitney at all, but happy birthday to you and your daddy, and you know, happy birthday to you, and big up to your mother and your father, and just big up yourself, Paris, coming from your uncle Oliver, alright? Alright, big up yourself. Alright people, thanks for watching this video. If you please like, share, subscribe, and just, you know, one view at a time, is it me? One view at a time. So God bless you. Take care. Peace out.